So tonight's program is part of the Town of Vienna's Liberty Amendments Month, which runs mid-June through mid-July and celebrates those 4 amendments that are focused on the liberties that we all enjoy as Americans now. This week is actually identified as Library Week in the Town of Vienna, and we're incredibly grateful for our partnership with the town and their support of our beautiful county library system. We're thrilled to be doing a 2-part program, which is an unveiling of our new plans for the redesigned Patrick Henry Library, as well as an author talk from 2 of our very own library authors talking about their book, The Desegregation of Northern Virginia Libraries.
So we wrote this book to spotlight the little-known and overlooked activists that fought to desegregate public libraries in Northern Virginia, which we learned was a topic that had never really fully been investigated before. And the goal of this book was to make people more aware of this topic that isn't really fully discussed, and to have a context of why libraries are the way that they are.
So it was a book that we just felt like we had to write it, because we were like, this story needs to get out there. And it was a labor of love for us to put all of this information together and get it out to a wider audience so people could learn about some of the great Virginian activists who helped open up the libraries to everybody.
The big part of tonight is also the unveiling of those plans. The Patrick Henry Library was funded for a renovation and replacement in 2020, and this new plan is a collaboration between the town and the county. The county is going to get a brand new library, increased square footage, more open light, much better parking. And the town is also paying into the project to support additional parking spaces for town users who might want to shop, recreate, or just walk around on the Maple Avenue corridor. The duology between our history of our segregated library system in Northern Virginia and this beautiful new open light, airy Patrick Henry Library is really the story of how libraries have changed and moved as we've seen stronger equity needs and impacts across our nation. Our library system is open to everyone now, and we want to make sure and showcase the beautiful spaces we have now, but not try and hide the heritage of how we got here. It's all part of the same continuum. Libraries now are incredibly focused on ensuring that we have open, accessible, welcoming spaces for every member of our community. We love everyone. We want them to come visit us.